Hello, friends. I welcome you all to the class of English Compulsory, BA second year. Today, we are going to deal with the syllabus prescribed for semester 4 English Compulsory. In this semester, we are going to study 4 units. Unit number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Unit number 5 is labeled as fiction or short story. There are two short stories in this unit. The first story is written by Russian story writer Leo Tolstoy. The title of the story is The Remorseful Sinner. This is very interesting story. It is as good as parable. In this story, Leo Tolstoy has put forth his views on religion and spirituality. The second story is The Sniper. The story is written by Liam Ho Flaherty. This is how in unit number 5 we will be studying two short stories. Unit number 6 is entitled as Poetry. There are two poems in this unit. The first poem is written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, who is popularly known as S.T. Coleridge. The title of the poem is Love. The second poem included in this unit is Courage. This poem is written by Anne Sexton. This is how unit number 5 is having two short stories, and unit number 6 has two poems, Love and Courage. Unit number 7 is labeled as non-fictional prose. In this unit, we have two non-fictional prose items. The first one is To Youth. This is written by Sardar Bhagat Singh. The second one is The Quest for Happiness. The second non-fictional prose item is by H.S. Dalai Lama. This is how unit number 7 deals with non-fictional prose. There are two non-fictional prose items in unit number 7. The first one is To Youth, written by Sardar Bhagat Singh. The second one is The Quest for Happiness, which is written by H.S. Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibet. Unit number 8 has grammar and communication skills. It has two sections. The first one deals with grammar and the second section deals with communication skills. In first section, we will be studying voice, active form of voice and passive form of voice. Unit number 8B has communication skills, and in this section of unit number 8 we will study writing for the electronic media. This is how the paper of English compulsory BA second year semester 4 comprises 4 units. Unit number 1 is entitled as fiction. It has 2 short stories. Unit number 2, 7, 6, that is entitled as poetry. There are 2 poems. And unit number 7 has 2 non-fictional prose items. And unit number 8 is dedicated to grammar and communication skills. Let us come down to the division of marks. We will be studying English compulsory for 70 marks, 75 marks. 40 marks are for end semester examination and 35 marks are for continuous assessment, in which we will have 2 tests carrying 10 marks each, and we will have assignment for 15 marks. This is how end semester examination or theory carries 40 marks, and continuous evaluation, that is internal evaluation, is of 35 marks. This is how this paper of English compulsory carries 75 marks. Once again, I would like to revise that in English compulsory syllabus, which is prescribed for semester 4, we will be studying 4 units. Unit number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Unit number 5 is fiction or short story. In this unit there are 2 short stories. One story is written by Leo Tolstoy and the second one is Liam O'Flaherty. The title of the first story is The Remorseful Sinner. This story is written by Leo Tolstoy, and the second story is The Sniper. This is written by Liam O'Flaherty. Unit number 6 is entitled as poetry. In this unit there are 2 poems. The first poem is entitled as Love. This poem is written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and the second poem is Courage, which is written by Anne Sexton. In unit number 7 we will study 2 non-fictional prose items. The first non-fictional prose item is entitled as To Youth, which is written by Sardar Bhagat Singh, and the second unit non-fictional prose item is The Quest for Happiness, which is written by H.S. Dalai Lama. Unit number 8 is of grammar and communication skill. It has 2 sections. Section 1 is dedicated to grammar, and section 2 is dedicated to communication skill. In section 1 or A, we will be studying voice, active voice and passive voice. In section B, we will be studying communication skill. Here, we will be studying writing for the electronic media. So, dear students, let me remind you again that this is the syllabus of English Compulsory BA second year semester 4, which is prescribed for 75 marks. These 75 marks are divided into end semester examination and continuous assessment. End semester examination is for 40 marks, whereas continuous evaluation is for 35 marks. This is how this syllabus is, or this paper is for 75 marks. So this was the syllabus prescribed for English Compulsory BA second year for semester 4. Dear students, in the following class, that is on tomorrow, we shall start with the first short story from unit number 5, which is entitled as The Remorseful Sinner, written by Leo Tolstoy. So with this, I would like to remain here. Rest of the things we shall continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.